Senator Dick Durbin meets with Rockford City leaders for a discussion about its mobile integrated health care program. Daniel Burbank learned the program is more than a decade old, and hospital representatives say health professionals who travel to patients' homes help reduce costly hospital visits. Daniel joins us now from the newsroom.
Yeah, each year the mobile integrated healthcare program helps more than 3,500 patients. It started as a pilot program in 2016 to help reduce emergency visits at Rockford hospitals. U.S. Senator Dick Durbin met with Rockford Mayor Tom McNamara and the city's fire department Wednesday. The mobile health program is operated by the Rockford Fire Department and provides mental health and chronic disease management services. Durbin says the program drives the future of healthcare and avoids costly hospitalizations.
Let me tell you, there are many things in this job that are depressing. This is just the opposite. What's happening with the Rockford Fire Department is nothing short of amazing.
UW Health Swedish American leaders say the same year the program launched, the ER visits dropped more than 50% and hospitalization admissions saw more than 25% reduction. From the News Now desk, I'm Daniel Burbank.
Thank you, Daniel. And the mobile integrated healthcare program is funded through a half-cent sales tax through the Winnebago County Community Mental Health Board.